Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing and my review of this new style by Sentoo from their creative collection called Rosaline, and I have it in the color dark ash blonde. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is also from Sentoo and it's called Valentine, and I have it in the color dark maple blonde, and I have a review of this style on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in that, go and check it out. Both are available from Adrian's Trend Co, and I put a link to Rosaline down below in the description box, and from there you can find your way easily to check out all the other pieces from the Sentoo collection. So just so you know, Adrian's Trend Co does ship worldwide, so the Sentoo collection is only available in Europe, but if you are not in Europe, you still can get your hands on it when you buy it from Adrian's Trend Co. Don't forget to use my code K20, which will give you an amazing 20% off as well. So let's dive straight in. This is a cute Pixie style. I love that you get these pictures on the tag. So slightly different to what I'm wearing now. Let's have a look. So I haven't peeked, I haven't even looked at anything. So I had this color, dark ash blonde, on Isabel from the Sentoo collection, which is a really luscious, long, wavy, almost curly wig. So now it would be interesting to see what this color looks like on a shorter style. So here we have Rosaline, cute pixie. So layers, slightly longer here at the front. This is how I used to wear my bio hair before I had to shave it all off. So let's see what that feels like. Let's look at the cap construction. It looks like the same cap construction as we have on this one. You have an extended lace front, so it runs into the ear tabs, and the ear tabs are slightly smaller, so you get even more of a natural line, hairline, all the way down to, let me find it on this one here. So really natural, so you really can pull this back and it looks like your natural hair. So you have polyurethane on these ear tabs, so that means they really grip the skin really nicely, so these caps feel incredibly secure on, even with someone like with me with hair. But you can also put adhesives on here if you wanted to. You also have a mono top that has 2 layers, so hopefully you can see that. There's a layer here, and then you have the other layer underneath it. Makes this all really comfortable. You also have these silicone dots here. Again, helps grip to your head so nicely. As I said, I cannot state enough how secure this feels on me, even though I have hair. So, and then you have covered wefts. Everything on this cap feels comfortable. So you have the adjusters encased here in material as well. So everything is soft. And you have an extended nape also with this kind of polyurethane or silicone on here. Again, it grips to the skin really nicely, and you could put adhesives on it if you wanted to, and Velcro adjusters. There isn't much stretch in these covered wefts caps. There's a little bit of stretch in the circumference. We will see how that fits in comparison to the other ones that I tried. Let's try it on. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is adorable. Let me show it to you straight out of the box. Let's look at the lace front. So you have lighter pieces here to the front. Slight band effect, but I think because it's kind of meant to be worn down like this, I don't think it really bothers me that much. And it helps with the knotting. It's really, I can't really see any knots here. Lace finishes here, and you might be able to see this here a little bit more. Now I haven't had that on the other one that I just wore. So this seems slightly longer, that it comes down a bit more. I think it transitions into the skin really quite nicely. Transition into the ear tabs, so that would be here. I don't think you can see that transition. Ear tabs on me finish here. So really good coverage. So these are the ear tabs here. So this is my bio hair here. So that's quite good coverage. And it's not sitting on my ears. So in that regard, it fits really nicely. Let's look at the mono top. That looks really good. So you can part it in this section from here to here where you like. So you can have your middle part, your side part, whatever you want, a deep side part as well. So I like it slightly off center. Yeah, that is fairly easy to do. It might still want to spring back a little bit. Just a little bit of water or heat would then do that for you. But actually, I think I quite like it where it was at the beginning. I think I quite like it this side here. Sometimes you just have to play with your wigs a little bit more, just to see what suits you, because sometimes even just changing the part and change it to, yeah, I like it now. The fibers are heat-friendly fibers, so you could maybe straighten it out more if you wanted to. Have a really straight look. Because you have slight bends in there, but just slight really. Or a slight wave would be good as well. So you do have quite a few layers here. So you have longer layers here at the front. And that really brings the attention to your eyes, which is chef's kiss. And then you have short layers throughout. Really short layers. This is a short pixie. These fibers feel really nice and soft. Not overly soft. And this is a really light color. And even though these are heat-friendly fibers, sometimes you can have an artificial shine. I don't think these have this at all. So let's talk about the fit. Now, straight out of the box, it fits my 21.75 circumference really well. Really snug, really like it hugs my head. It feels incredibly comfortable. Now, there isn't much room to widen it. So if you are 22 inch, I think it might just about fit you because there's a little bit of stretch in the circumference. Not much gapping here in the back. Little bit, but not much. So I do think it's a petite average sized cap. If you have a smaller circumference than mine, I think it would fit you without a problem. There's lots of room to tighten it. You might just have just slightly more bagging here in the back than I do. Density, now I can't feel any permatease. Maybe just a little bit of tease, just it feels a little bit like a little bit of tease around the covered wefts, but definitely nothing big and poofy here. And the density in itself, I mean, there's lots of layers here, which always adds to the feel that there is more volume here than there actually is. But because it's so short, these layers, it's hard to tell really the density. I would say this is higher end of low density, but I do think you do need some volume here to get this look and to make it look right. So let's talk about this color. It's a blend of medium brown and dark ash blonde tones with a darker root, and you have some subtle highlights. So in terms of styling, now, as I said, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you could add, you know, some waves or curls to it, to the longer layers here if you wanted to. Otherwise, I think a little bit of friendly styling cream, putting it in, really would highlight those layers and make it look a little bit edgier if you wanted to really get those layers being shown off. Otherwise, I think just a headband with these pixies is just beyond cute. And then for this kind of boho look, for festivals, the beach, this is one of my favorite looks when I have a pixie for the summer. I think it's adorable. So I really hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much to Outer Trend Go for providing me with this piece on loan so I can review it for you. Don't forget to use my code K20, link is down below. If you are outside of Europe, you can still get your hands on this piece. Outer Trend Go does ship worldwide. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. Otherwise, I hope I see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.